Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with Windows 11. Latest update is KB5026372 causing an issue with the VPN connection. Let's fix that problem guys. For that, go to search menu and type settings. Open it up and select Windows Update. On left side, right side, you need to select update history and locate the update after you getting problem with guys. You just want to select the uninstall update over here and you just want to select the update you want to getting problem with the K850263. Okay, I'm not get updated guys, the latest version. We just want to delete this. For that, click uninstall and uninstall it guys. After doing that, go back to Windows Update and select. After, go ahead and restart it guys. After doing this, pause updates, pause for update 1 week. You just need to extend this to 4 weeks or more than like that. Why means update for a couple weeks until the next update arrives guys. You just need to pause that for the next update will arrive. Wait for it, the next update is latest update comes up and you just want to after that resume and update it guys. Your problem is resolved after that. Go ahead and restart your PC guys after uninstalling the update. And that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.